let's talk about pyramids. Now we're just going to talk about the introduction to pyramids, what they are, what they mean. So oftentimes when I think of pyramids, I think of Egypt, right? The Great Pyramids, all of those fun things. And this is a pretty good description, right? We can see they come to a point at the top called the apex. We have triangular faces. That's the idea of a pyramid. So to be a pyramid, we have one base, which is a polygon, meaning it has distinct sides. So a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a pentagon. Those are all polygons. So the base is that. Now the number of sides, so those triangular faces, right? This is a side. The number of sides of a pyramid is going to be equal to the number of sides of the base. So if the base is a square, each one of these will have a triangular face that comes up, right? So the number of sides is the number of sides on the base. And the sides, which we call faces, are all triangles because they meet at that top, right? They meet at a point. So that means all of the sides are going to be triangles. As I've noted already, that top point is called the apex. And we named the pyramid by the shape of the base. So if the base is a triangle, then it is a triangular pyramid. If the shape of the base is a square, then it is a square pyramid. Okay, so let's look at this. This piece down here is the base, okay? So we see this is a base. We have three edges that come to form the apex, right? And because this base has three sides, this is a triangular pyramid. So that's the idea, right? Then you come over here to this one. And now without markings, it's hard to know, but let's just say that opposite sides are congruent, making this a rectangle. So this would be a rectangular pyramid. And again, the edges meet up here at the one point, which we call the apex. Now, most common, I think, is the square pyramid. I don't know why I think that's the most common. I just think it is. So we have the square pyramid, which all sides are the same. This is called a net of a pyramid, where you see this is the base. Because it has four sides, it has four faces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Each face is a triangle. And so these 4 points that I'm marking on here, if we would fold up the four sides, those 4 points would meet at the apex. And that is an introduction to pyramids.